Check out the heat on lamp at night. You guys can see that. It's heating up. I like it that it has an extra tray here. Look how powerful and hot it gets. Right now we had it at full blast, but we're gonna turn it down in a bit. All right, today we're gonna bring a torch for outside heater. All right, so we're gonna take a look at it. It's stainless steel, outdoor graded. We're gonna put it together and see what you get. When you get something like this, it comes in a box. It's not that heavy because it's all light, but it's about 42 pounds. Well, it's not that heavy for me, but it might be heavy. You might need help. So let's put it together and see what you get. All right, check it out, guys. So they give you the tools, everything you need, including the actual wrench. We're gonna put this together. You might need two of them, but we're gonna see how far we can get without anything. So right now, we just ended up setting up the wheels first. You got to tie this up, right? So you might have to remove the wrench so you can start it up. That's the first part. We're gonna set it up. This is the bottom. You start from the bottom up. So that's what instructions. We're following them. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, let me explain to you a little bit. So we're setting up this thing here. You got to make sure you have the three. This is the top one. This is already has the actual tie downs for the actual gas, so it goes in the back. This is going to be the centerpiece, and then you go all the way to the top where the tower. Now we're still missing screws right now. We're going to set them up right now. We're just setting up the tower, and this is how they meet in the beginning. So the instruction tells you to do this part of it first. All right, so very important. We're starting from the ground all the way to the top. All right, here goes the main part. Now we're done with the top. I'm gonna put this in the middle. All right, now that we've done the topper, we're gonna tie these up. We're gonna put the screws in here. So this goes on top of here. All right, to turn it on, you got to push the top button first and then pushing it at the same time, the button. So once you get a lid, you can control the temperature right now. The first time, let it run for a couple minutes so it could burn out any kind of plastic or any kind of dust particles that it has. And once it's done, you should be okay. All right, very recommendation is like make sure you turn off the gas when you're completely done, so you have this hole that you could actually reach the gas here and turn it off. So I recommend you, when not used, turn off the hose. Let's take a look at the actual how hot it gets up here. So look at the degrees right now. We're at 300 degrees right now, and pretty much everywhere it's heating up the whole facility here. Everything's heating up here. It gives a lot of heat everywhere. It distributes very good. You guys can see that, how hot it gets. And I completely have the lights out, completely out. So love that it gives the heat everywhere. So this thing, it heats up a little bit pretty good. Not that bad. Perfect distributing the heat everywhere. I can feel it where I am, and I'm about 4 or 5 feet away from it. So pretty strong.